Looking for easy breakfast ideas with refrigerator dough? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn store-bought dough into two quick and delicious breakfast treats that come together in a matter of minutes. They're perfect for brunch or any busy morning. So let's get cooking. If you've enjoyed these quick treats, then give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favorite breakfast shortcut is. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, delicious ideas. And the next time, we're going to take a buttery croissant and make it into a bake that you won't want to miss. I'll see you next time on Everyday Eats with Ellen.